Good morning, everyone. This is the video on the legend, which is lesson 4 in your literature reader. And this is a short story written by the famous author William Somerset Maugham. Now, coming to the author William Somerset Maugham, he was born in Paris on 25th Jan 1874. He was famous for his plays. Apart from that, most of his short stories are also famous, and like that his novels also. His parents died before he was 10, and this orphaned boy was raised by his paternal uncle, who was emotionally cold, and he was one of the highest paid authors during his time, that is during 1930s. Some of his famous works include Of Human Bondage, The Circle, The Moon and Sixpence, Cakes and Ale, Great Novelist and the Novels. Suppose if you are getting any chance to read the books of Somerset Maugham, don't miss that chance. Go through it. Go through the books. Read the books. It's really very interesting. Come on, we can see about the story now. So the type of the story, it is a short story. It is written, it is told through first person. So first person, when I say, like, the very beginning of the story itself is like I caught sight of her at the play. So this is the story is through the actually through the eyes of the author, the writer, that is Somerset Maugham. It is a humorous narrative. Humorous in the sense, like, already we have learned the difference between wit and humorous in Your Old Father William. Like any funny kind of statements which keeps the reader entertained. So that is called humor. So here the luncheon, it is a slice of life story about the author's luncheon date proposed to him by a woman whom he thinks that is a supporter of his art, whom actually he thinks that is his fan. But it is quite ironical also if you have gone through the story. So this is actually the author's luncheon. It's based upon the author's luncheon date proposed to him by a woman of 40 years. Now we can see, like, the story can be divided into 3 parts. Actually, part 1, which is present, part 2 past, and part 3 again present. So as I said, as when the story is divided into 3 parts, the setting of these 3 things is different. Okay, like the first part, it takes place at the theater. Then the second part, it takes place in a restaurant called Foyot's restaurant in Paris. And the third part, the setting is again back in the theater. So when we talk about the elements of the story, we are just I'm just talking it in giving you the summary about the elements of the story, because we have it in our writing composition part. Okay, so whenever we are writing a story, these are some of the important elements. Like, it should have a setting, it should have some characters, there should be a plot, there should be a climax, and the story should have a theme. So as I said, setting is in the sense, like, this is like you can see all these elements in all the short stories. So setting, as I divided the story into 3 parts, as I already said, the setting, the first part, it is in a theater. Second part, it is at Foyot's restaurant, and the third part again back in the theater. So that is present, past, present. Actually, it is a story within a story, because this luncheon date, we can talk about like a story within a story. Coming to the characters, there are if we count each and every character also, there are 3 characters. In the original story, there are, like, the waiter also plays an important role, but here this is a revised version which is taken from the, like, many sentences and everything has been changed. So here the importance is given to a poor writer and the woman. Okay, poor writer in the sense, like, he has just started writing, and he has not started earning much from writing, who is trying his hard to meet both the ends. Now there is a woman whom we see, like, a fan of his art, who's actually 40-year-old. Plot, when we say, like, the summary of the story, so here we can see, like, the part 2 is very important, like, which takes place in that which takes place at Fayard. So part 1, which happens at the theater, just the writer has written that part only in 1 or 2 paragraphs only, and part 3 is also present only, which is again taking place at the theater on again in the last paragraph. Climax of the story is about the bill. It is climax when we say it is something like that creates the tension in the reader, like we also will be throughout the story, we are also worried, what is going to happen, whether he will be able to pay the bill, like how much the amount will come, because each and every instruction, like when he says like I have this much money with me, how I will be paying the bill. So though the author is tensed, he creates a tension, he creates the same tension in the reader also. When that lady orders one dish after another, we are also tensed about the bill. That's why the climax is about the bill. Theme, we will be discussing it in detail in the slides later. It is about manipulation, revenge, and appearance versus reality. So children, in this PPT we have covered about the author, that is Somerset Maugham. We have covered about the introduction to the story also, and about the elements of the story. What are the different elements in a short story? So this is part 1 of this video. In the next videos we'll be sending to you. Thank you.